Hi, Miss Risa. Can you tell me about yourself, including your first name, middle name, and last name?
Hello, sir. Good noon. I'm Risa Prano Hontilano, 37 years old. I'm I'm from Tupi, South Cotabato, Philippines.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I am single mother with live-in.
Okay. Do you have kids?
I have only one son, age 20 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have two brothers and four sisters.
Okay. Are you the oldest, middle, or youngest?
I'm in the middle, sir.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
I have more than 10 years experience abroad, sir. In Riyadh, Saudi, and Dubai.
Okay. What is your duties and responsibilities in Saudi and Dubai?
I'm taking care of 6 months old baby, sir, and then I'm iron, washing dishes, um, cleaning, cooking, and then take care of baby autism.
Okay. Did you finish all your contracts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible at my work.
Okay. Do you have tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Can I see your hands? Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family to financial and to earn money to my son.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Okay. Please give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will talk to them calm about it and a calm voice.
Okay. Can you sing a one nursery song?
Okay. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, up to the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Um, Ma'am, sir, if you give me a chance, I will make sure to do my best at my work and taking care of your babies and treat them like my own. Thank you so much.
Okay. That would be all, ma'am. Thank you.